Hey, everybody, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. We're back with another food recall. This is for CJ Foods Manufacturing and Beaumont Corporation. Recalls Trader Joe's chicken soup dumplings due to possible foreign matter contamination. Steamed chicken soup dumplings were produced December 7th, 2023. The following products are subject to recall. 6-ounce boxes of plastic trays contain 6 pieces of Trader Joe's steamed chicken dumplings with lot codes of 3725C1-1 and 3725C1-2 printed on the side of the box due to plastic contamination. These are the labels, and it's supposed to be hard plastics that are in these. So this is your codes that you're going to see on the boxes. Be sure you take a look. If you got some of that Trader Joe's stuff, get in contact with them. Links in the description. Be sure you like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you back next time on Our Texas Homestead.